Hey creators, want to see yourself as a Pixar-style 3D avatar that actually talks with your own voice and rocks an outfit you found online? Stay tuned. Look, I get it. You've probably seen these crazy realistic avatars all over social media and thought, man, I wish I could make one of those. But I'm not some tech wizard. Well, guess what? You don't need to be. In this video, I'm going to break it down for you step by step. We're talking ChatGPT, ElevenLabs, and Hedra, 3 tools that'll have you looking like a digital movie star in no time. All you need is a photo of yourself, a few smart prompts, and that creative energy I know you've got. Let's dive in. Now, real talk, choosing your style is where most people get stuck. They're like, I don't know what I want. Look, there are endless styles you can use for your avatar, but let me show you my favorites. Cartoon, comic book, that bold graphic novel vibe that really pops. 3D. Pixar, clean, professional, and family-friendly. Ghibli, that dreamy Studio Ghibli magic everyone loves. Bratz doll, bold, fashionable, and definitely makes a statement. Each one gives off a completely different energy, right? The key is picking the one that matches your vibe and your brand. Here's a bonus. I had to break down the 2 OGs, hyper-realistic and semi-realistic 3D avatars. Hyper-realistic. This is that, wait, is that a real person level stuff? Every pore, every hair strand, every shadow looks like you could reach out and touch them. It's wild, but sometimes too perfect and can feel a little uncanny. Semi-realistic. This is the sweet spot for most creators. Still looks human and relatable, but with that smooth, polished 3D vibe. Think video game character meets Instagram filter, clean, stylized, and way more forgiving if the AI messes up a detail or two. For faceless channels, semi-realistic wins every time. It pops on screen without being distracting. Now, this is a little bit of a bonus for you guys. I had to add this. Here's where it gets really cool. You know when you're scrolling and you see someone's avatar and you're like, dang, I want mine to look like that, but I have no clue what style that even is? ChatGPT's got your back. Just drop that image in and hit it with this prompt. Analyze this picture and tell me what avatar style it matches. Hit enter. See, it's literally like having your own personal art director who never gets tired of your questions. All right, now that you know what style you want, let's actually make it happen. Time to turn your regular photo into something that looks like it jumped straight out of a Pixar movie. Now look, since this is a faceless channel, I'm not going to be throwing my actual face up there, but check this out. I hit up one of the best AI tools in the game for realistic image generation. Yes, I'm talking about the GOAT Midjourney, and she hooked me up. Isn't she pretty, y'all? So we're using this picture and going for that smooth, bright, stylized 3D Pixar look. Here's the magic formula I use inside ChatGPT. Turn this photo into a style you want. Keep the face, skin tone, hair true to the original. Make it smooth, detailed, stylized, realistic, cartoonish. Add extra details you want, like outfit, background, accessories. So today I'm going to use that same prompt, but I'm not switching up the outfit, and I'm telling it to make it a wide shot with her standing. See, this is the basic prompt I'm giving you. Don't be afraid to tweak it and make it yours. Upload the image and hit enter. Look at that. She's cute. Let's compare the two. Okay, same person, just with that 3D Pixar vibe. Now, if you wanted to change anything, the key is be specific about what you want to keep and what you want to change. But we are not going to do all that today because I like her as is. Okay, y'all, another bonus. I'm really dropping gems today, especially for my AI beginners. What I did was hit up Pinterest, found a cute outfit, and now we're going to put it on my avatar. We're clicking on the avatar to edit and dropping in this prompt. Keep the avatar's face, hair, and body the same. Replace her outfit with the dress in the uploaded image. Make sure it fits naturally and looks realistic. Now upload the image. She's cute. So we're going to ElevenLabs. This is going to be quick. We're using one of their voices, but let me break down voice cloning real fast first. The instant voice clone is super quick. Just 1-2 minutes of audio and boom, your voice is ready to roll. I know they say you only need a few seconds, but trust me, the longer the better. So do the full 1 to 2 minutes. I tested this by grabbing a recorder app on my phone, had ChatGPT whip me up a short paragraph, told it to make it 2 minutes long for a voice sample, then just read it out loud. Key thing, use your natural voice. Got a mic set up? Call up a friend and record yourself chatting. Just throw on some headphones so the mic doesn't catch their voice. And make sure you're somewhere quiet. Now, if you want that next level lifelike sound, the professional voice clone needs at least 30 minutes of clean audio. Takes a few days to cook, and you gotta do an authorization sample to prove it's actually you. Want the deep dive on ElevenLabs? I'm dropping a whole separate video on that soon, so keep your eyes peeled. Okay, let me show you the instant clone again. It's the one most people use. Click on Instant Voice Clone. On this page, you've got 2 options. Record your sample audio right here, or click drag a file. You'll see me choosing a file I've got saved on my computer. It'll scan your file to make sure you've got at least 10 seconds of audio. You can add more than one file, then let you hit next. After about a minute, it takes you to the next page where your voice is ready to go. You can preview it, name it, pick the language, write a description, and agree to the terms. Now, heads up, as of today, you can only clone your voice with a paid plan. But the good news, you can do it with their cheapest plan, $5 monthly or $4.17 if you go annual, and I think you get 2 months free. Definitely check out ElevenLabs. I'm going to keep this quick since we've covered text-to-speech in several different videos. If you want the deep dive, those videos will be linked in the description. Here you see me dropping in the text. Voice is already selected. We're using the V3 model, so our voice will have some expression in it, then hit generate. With this model, you get 2 options. Normally you'd listen to both, but I already did that. Just download your favorite. Just that easy. Hedra makes this crazy simple. Upload your avatar image, drop in your voice file, and let the platform do its thing. I'm not going to go super deep since I've got a full Hedra tutorial link below, but real talk, it's basically drag drop and you're good to go. We're rolling with the Character 3 model today. Just click on audio, upload our audio from ElevenLabs, then hit start frame upload, double check our settings, and generate. And just like that, you've got yourself a talking 3D avatar. Okay, let's check her out.
Look at me. I'm living proof that the AI Royal Creations method actually works. Just a few minutes ago, I was just a regular photo, and now I'm here talking to you as a full 3D avatar. So stop thinking about it and start creating. Your digital empire is waiting.
Look, here's the real talk. You now know how to turn any photo into a full 3D talking avatar. From style selection to voice cloning to animation, you've got the whole pipeline. ChatGPT handles the visual transformation, ElevenLabs gives you that perfect voice, and Hedra brings it all to life. But here's what I want you to remember, don't overthink this stuff. The best way to learn is by doing. Play with different styles, test out voices, experiment with different looks. Your digital identity doesn't have to be perfect from day one. It just needs to be authentically you. Whether you're building a personal brand, creating content, or just having fun with this technology, you've got everything you need right here. And hey, if you want to dive deeper into avatar creation and animation, check out that playlist on the screen. I've got you covered with all the detailed tutorials. Until next time, keep learning, create.